Hello everyone, my name is Mansi Sanjay Kumar Suryanshi and my today's topic name is lymphatic system. Lymphatic system is a sub-system of the circulatory system in the body and that consists of the complex network of vessels, tissue and organs. That is lymphatic node and lymphatic vessel and lymphatic organs. It plays a key role in the immune system, fluid balance and absorption of fat and fat soluble nutrients. And the function of lymphatic system is fluid balance. First, fluid balance. It maintains the balance between the blood and tissue known as fluid homeostasis, and it returns the excess fluid and the proteins from the tissue that cannot be returned throughout the blood vessels. Then second, immune system. Lymphatic system, it is enable our immune system to respond appropriately, and lymphatic system produces 5 WBCs called as lymphocytes, and there are two types of lymphocytes, T cells and B cells. And the third part function is absorption and lymph facilities of absorption of fat and fat nutrients from the digestive system. The components of the lymphatic system is lymphatic vessel, lymph node and lymphatic organ. Lymphatic vessels. It is a network of vessels that collect the fluid that diffuse from the blood vessels to capillaries into the surrounding tissues. So having holes inside them to stop fluid from flowing back in the wrong direction. Then second component is lymph, and it is a clear fluid that is derived from the blood plasma, and lymphatic fluid is not pumped but squeezed through the vessels when we use the muscle. Third component is lymph node. Lymphatic vessel transfers lymph to lymph node, and this structure filter the lymph of pathogens such as bacteria, viruses, and also filter waste and dead cells and cancerous cells, and typically found in the concentration near the junction of major lymphatic vessel. Most is neck, groin and amphibians. And the fourth component is lymphoid organ, and it is the aggregation of the lymphatic tissue, example thymus, spleen, tonsils, in the region of the pharynx. Then there are two types, primary lymphatic organ and secondary lymphoid organ. In primary, thymus, bone marrow and fetal liver are present, and in secondary lymphoid organ there are spleen, mucosa associated tissue and tonsils are present. In primary lymphoid organ, first of all thymus, and it is the primary function is to promote the development of specific cells and immune system called T lymphocytes, and it is the crucial in the production of maturation and differentiation of the immune T cells. And the second type in primary lymphocytes organ is bone marrow, and it is the soft and flexible tissue found inside the bone, and it is responsible for the production of blood cells, that is RBCs, WBCs and platelet, and important roles to generate the lymphocytes. And then second part of lymphoid organs is secondary lymphoid organ, in that these are the organs in which the further differentiation of the lymphocytes occurs, and there are two functions, basic functions. First, they are site of the further lymphocytes maturation, and second, they efficiently trap the anti-agent for the exposure to the T and B cells. In that, first, spleen. It is the largest organ and lymphatic system, and it filters the blood of the damaged cells and cellular debris and pathogens, and it helps in growth and development of the WBCs. And the second part is mucosa associated tissue, and example is Peyer's patches. Third part is the tonsils, and tonsils are the array of the lymphatic tissue located in upper throat region, and tonsils house lymphocytes and other WBCs called macrophages. Then the tonsils are the tissue affected in the tonsillitis of lymphatic system is filariasis and Gorham's disease, and the most common lymphatic disease is the lymphedema, and it is the lymphedema, it is the swelling of the body part and caused by the lymphatic fluid build up in the tissue, and lymphedema most often occurs in the arms and legs, and but it can also affect the head, chest and breast, abdomen and genitals. Thank you.